Scon Design is a renowned company that offers top-notch detail engineering survey services in Faridabad city. With their expertise in engineering and surveying, they provide comprehensive solutions to various industries and projects. Their services are essential in the preliminary stages of any project, as they help in determining the feasibility and viability of the proposed design. By conducting detailed surveys, Scon Design ensures that all aspects of the project are thoroughly evaluated and accounted for. One of the key advantages of availing detail engineering survey services in Faridabad city from Scon Design is their in-depth knowledge of the local area. They have a team of experienced professionals who are well-versed with the geographical and environmental factors specific to Faridabad. This enables them to conduct surveys that are tailored to the unique requirements of the city. Their understanding of the local regulations and guidelines also ensures that all surveys are carried out in compliance with the legal requirements. Scon Design utilizes advanced technology and equipment to perform their detail engineering surveys in Faridabad city. They employ state-of-the-art tools such as GPS, laser scanners, and drones to gather accurate data and measurements. This not only improves the efficiency and precision of their surveys, but also helps in minimizing errors and discrepancies. The use of advanced technology also enables them to complete surveys within shorter timeframes, which is crucial in today's fast-paced construction industry. The detail engineering survey services provided by Scon Design encompass a wide range of areas, including topographic surveys, land development surveys, utility mapping, and construction layout surveys. In the city of Faridabad, a reputable company by the name of Scon Design provides excellent detail engineering survey services. They offer comprehensive solutions to a variety of sectors and projects using their engineering and surveying experience. Their assistance is crucial during the initial phases of any project since it enables us to assess the viability and feasibility of the suggested design. Scon Design guarantees that all project components are carefully considered and taken into account by conducting in-depth surveys. Scon Design's extensive local expertise is one of the main benefits of using their detail engineering survey services in Faridabad city. They have a group of skilled individuals on staff who are knowledgeable about the unique geographical and environmental aspects of Faridabad. They can now conduct surveys that are specifically designed for the needs of the city thanks to this. Their knowledge of local laws and regulations guarantees that all surveys are conducted in accordance with the rules set forth by the law. Scon Design conducts its detailed engineering studies in Faridabad city using cutting-edge equipment and technology. To collect precise data and measurements, they use cutting-edge equipment like GPS, laser scanners, and drones. This not only increases